Going into delivery work is an excellent job, but one that must be taken seriously. Apart from the competitive industry, there are also many things that you will need to pay attention to in order to guarantee that your operation will run smoothly. If you plan on employing other drivers, you will need to ensure not only that they are competent enough, but also that you will be able to guarantee their safety while on the job as well. This is where proper vehicle insurance comes in, something that not all startup owners take into consideration seriously when setting up a courier service. However, getting the vehicles your drivers are going to use insured is not only necessary, it is one of the most crucial steps you need to take before you open for business. Here are a few tips on how to do it properly. Understanding why you need it. Insurance policies don't come in a one-size-fits-all package. Basically, how much you are going to pay for a policy will depend on a range of factors, beginning with just what you will use the vehicle for. When it comes to delivery work, the value of goods you'll transport will also be a factor in determining how much your vehicle insurance will cost. For example, if you are going to be delivering mostly small packages, and the coverage area you plan on servicing doesn't go beyond your own town, you may find a cheaper policy that will cover the essentials. However, if you are going to transport money, fragile goods, or valuable jewelry, you might want to consider upping your level of coverage in case something happens to the goods en route to the destination. Prioritizing safety. Having said that, however, it doesn't mean that you can neglect to factor in the safety of your drivers. As a matter of fact, when considering an insurance policy, you need to think about the medical coverage included in it first and foremost, to make sure that in case you or your drivers are involved in a road accident, the burden of medical expenses is adequately covered. Prioritizing your driver's safety doesn't just mean getting them medical insurance, it also means ensuring the vehicles they drive are always in top condition, because delivery work means being exposed to various risks on the road. Finding the right policy. Considering all the above-mentioned factors will help you narrow down your choices when you are looking for options for an appropriate insurance policy. As long as you prioritize the safety of both drivers and goods in every aspect of the delivery work, it will be easy for you to identify what policies are potentially good purchases and which ones are not. The bottom line is that finding the right insurance policy doesn't really have a lot to do with how cheap you can get it. If you buy a cheap policy that won't really benefit you, your drivers, the goods, and the clients in the long run, it will be an utter waste of money. However, if all the important factors are covered, spending a little more than your budget will still be a good decision over buying a cheap, useless policy. Norman Dulwich is a correspondent for Haulage Exchange, the leading online trade network for the road transport industry across the UK and Europe. It provides services for matching delivery work and to buy and sell road transport and haulage work in the domestic and international markets. Over 3,000 transport exchange businesses are networked together through their website, trading jobs and capacity in a safe wholesale environment. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.